good? Fine. Thank you for coming. Today, I'm going to tell you about when I moved to the human world. Maybe you guys already know this, but I'm not human. I'm a monster. I moved to the human world when my dad got a promotion. I'm a squeaky monster. And I used to live in Monstropolis. So we moved to the human world, and it was a whole new school, whole new people, and a different house. I didn't like it at all. But my parents told me to give it a chance. So I did. I went to school, and I tried to make new friends. It didn't work out. You know why? I'm a monster. Kids are afraid of monsters. I would try to play with them and they would run away. Ah, a monster! It was very difficult. Eventually, they got used to that, but they started making fun of my voice. Because I squeak. Of course I squeak. I'm a squeaky monster. Ah! Anyways, pretty soon, I was feeling very angry. Very sad. I don't know. My parents told me that I should go talk to somebody, see if they could help me. So I went to see Dr. Sandwich. Hello, Dr. Sandwich. Oh yeah, I forgot. Dr. Sandwich speaks really weird. Dr. Sandwich, do you want to tell my friends what you told me back then when I was sad and lonely and angry? He says that we're all different, humans and monsters, and that we have to learn to accept each other. We're all okay the way we are. That's fine. Right, Dr. Sandwich? So, if you feel sad or alone, or maybe even angry, go talk to somebody like Dr. Sandwich. Or go talk to a friend, Dr. Eric. Come on out, Dr. Eric.
Okay, I'm coming. Thank you, guys. So, sometimes when we're dealing with strong emotions, we're feeling alone or sad or angry, there's always somebody that you can go talk to. Fine, a good doctor, like Dr. Sandwich. Or why not come see me, Dr. Eric, at Sun Valley. Thank you. Bye.